Zoyer high-speed direct drive electronic bar tacking sewing machine. Suitable for sewing various pocket and trademark process, which bar tacking consolidated seam. Directly connected through a small AC servo motor, direct drive head to achieve a superior level of response and accurate stopping accuracy. Even in high-speed operation can create a low vibration, low noise working environment, and has auto trimmer, thread wiping, speed governing. Machine can do different stitch. If you want more details, please contact with us.